it's Randy for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am here today with the last project from the Foxy Lady design kit by Softflex. It's just a little pair of earrings, but we're going to try to jazz it up a little bit. See what we can do here. This is what we have left. So, we shall see. Looks like we got some gold earring wires and two little crystals and some poofy balls. So, let's see what we can do. Before we get started on this video, just want to thank you guys for tuning into these videos and just sharing in your journeys along with as I'm doing these different design kits and things around the internet. That's always so nice to see all your guys' comments, and some people are sharing in the Facebook group as well as just following along and liking, so that's fun. Anyways, so if you're not a part of our Facebook group, please come on over, and we would love to have and support you on the Facebook group. Also, we are working studio. We are packing and shipping from the bead store, jewelry store, and home and gift store, so if you hear some things going on, that's what's going on. We also have pets. They're involved, so per usual. So anyways, let's get down to the mat, get this party started. Alrighty, my friends, here we are on the mat. Let me just show you what we got to work with. Just these little things. That's all we got left. Just these little guys here. So we're going to try to do a little something here. Let me get in the drawer. And let's get out some wire. Looking for some gold, probably. Oh no, that could be fun. Well, let's see. This is not really the color, but kinda. Good enough for me. Okay, so let me just see what we can do here. Now you could just wrap these up, call it a day, but why don't we try to do a little something fun? I don't know what, but hey! Oh, here it is. I was gonna say, someone took my cutter. Let's try to do a little something fun here. So I've got some 24 gauge wire. I believe this is 24. 24 gauge wire. And I got this little poofy ball. So I think what I'm going to do I'm just going to put this drop on here and see what we get. That's pretty cute. Okay, I do feel like it kind of maybe needs a bead on the top. And let me see, I do have these few little beads left over. So let me try one of these check glass. See what we get. It's not my favorite. It's not my favorite, not my favorite. Okay. What about if we just add a little metal here? Sometimes we just gotta add a little metal. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Okay, that's better. better, it's better, it's better. Okay. So I'm just going to treat these as though they are one, and I am going to leave a little space here because I want to do some wire wrapping. So let's just wrap around the whole works. I wish that I had a little bit more wire. But I think we can make it work here. Just going to make sure these are tucked in nice and good. I quite enjoy it. Let's try the other one. Get a little longer piece for this side. Marry those up. Put our bead on. And our top bead. Go around the bottom here at least once. Those little tails tucked in there. There we go. Okay, and then I might have to turn this to the front and put on our little hearing wires. And there we go. Quite quite smashing, I think. Give them a little something extra. My personal opinion. So those are super cute. There you go, guys. I hope that you are enjoying these videos. If you are, please make sure to leave a like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And just make yourself some fun little beading today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, spectacular, amazing beading day. That's not how it goes, but it works for now. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!